Nice to be here. I've been so interested in the telepathy tapes lately. Mm-hmm. And the stories about these autistic children are just amazing. Mm-hmm. And it feels like that their stories are just exemplifying your MBT theory. And they can do all the paranormal things. And it's like they are, it's their spirituality. And it's they are representing the paradigm shift that the MBT is sort of doing or working on. And what are your comments on these telepathy tapes, Tom?
Well, okay. Well, the reason that it's worked the way it has, so that autistic children have these very unusual paranormal abilities, is because of their autism. They don't connect in the same way that people who don't have autism do. In other words, the speech, the connection, the sound, the interaction, the emotions, that part of them doesn't work well. So what they do is they take some other path, what does work for them, and that's, of course, they start to hone and energize and develop their intuitive path. So now, instead of being able to talk to mom, they just exchange thoughts with mom. They know what mom is saying and know what mom is feeling and thinking because they've developed what they had. That's the skills. That's the way they had to connect mind to mind because they didn't have the wherewithal to connect in the normal way. So they started developing their intuitive skills, things that we call paranormal or just intuitive skills. And they got better and better at it. So it's just a matter of, if you're born with one leg, you get better and better at walking around on one leg. You learn how to be really fast on crutches. You learn how to do things that otherwise other people don't learn because of your disability. Well, the disability they got with their inability to function as normal children, they made up for that by being better intuitively. So that's why we see the autistic children excelling at these things, because they had to develop it in order to connect, in order to get by. So yes, it does. It supports MBT very, very well. That's to be expected. And they have some what they call savants, autistic savants, that can do amazing mathematics. You can ask them to come up with the 10th prime number or something, and they'll read out 15 decimal places, or what's pi? What's the first 20 decimal places of pi? Or what's the fourth root of 6,845? And within seconds, they'll tell you the answer. Not because they're calculating this in their mind. They just see the answer scrolling across in front of them, and they're just reading the numbers out as they scroll across in front of them. They're getting the data directly out of the LCS. They're just connecting. LCS, what's the answer to that question? Oh, okay, 6215.325211. And they just say it like that, and bingo, they're brilliant. They've just developed. That's what's possible when we develop our intuitive side. We can do that too, but generally we don't, because the intuitive side has got a bad reputation as being unreliable. But
and there's these stories that they communicate with plants, with animals, with
sure.
all sorts of everything.
Yes, if you are intuitive, you can communicate with everything too. Dogs are much more intuitive than most humans are. I don't know if you've ever experienced this, but I have on many occasions. You're sitting in a chair and you say, oh, I think I'll get up and go take the dog for a walk. And before you move a muscle or do anything, you just thought that, your dog starts running around in circles at your feet and jumping up and down because they're excited about going for the walk. They heard that in your mind. Because they don't have the ability to speak and have language like we do, they've learned to develop their intuitive skills, just like the children that are autistic. So they're better at mind-to-mind than humans are. They've developed that intuition.
Okay. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Would you like to see a better world? Get a better perspective. Balance your intellect with intuition and explore your true nature with the Exploring Consciousness and Everything Paranormal program with Thomas Campbell. In this program, you will have the benefit of Tom's vast experience and learn to access point consciousness, communicate with the larger consciousness system, remote view, use your natural ability to heal with intent, and explore reality in the out-of-body state. His famous binaural beats are included. Details are in the description below. Thank you.